Okay, got a 2014 Lexus 3.5. Today we're gonna replace the air filter housing. So we need to remove this cover here. We're gonna remove this clip right here, and this clip right here. All right. This one right here. And also this clip here. Alrighty. So also remove this clip here. Right, we're gonna remove here. Remove this connector. Just push this. Okay, so we're gonna remove this sensor. Okay. We're gonna use a number 10 to remove this one. Okay, so replacing this because they don't have none clips, so the customer doesn't want the clips, so she buy a new one. So here, alright. So also we're gonna remove these screws here. They're really easy to remove. It's a Phillips. Because we're gonna reuse this sensor. Okay. And also we need to clean or get the new filter. So let's remove this clip. Just go stick this one. Alright. And to remove this one, remove this number 10. Alright, so also we need to remove this one, so we're gonna use number 10 an extension. There you go. Stick those in here to remove this. Alright, so now let's lift it up and let's remove these clips right here. Same thing with this one. Alrighty, so it's out. So I guess we need to remove these ones because we're gonna reuse it. Let's see. Now I got new ones and also the clips. Alright, so this one, this clip goes here, this one goes in here. Now we're gonna play a little bit. Let's remove this one. Play a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna install this hose number 10. One goes down here. There you go. All right. so the new one, it doesn't come with this right here, so I'm gonna put some crazy glue around here. I just removed this one, so I'm gonna install it right here. Okay, install it right here like that. Okay, so crazy glue all around here. In this case, just make sure you buy the correct one. This one is the wrong one. That's why we're gonna reuse this filter. So okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Remove this. I'm gonna put some here, 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 all around here. Okay. Alrighty. There you go. So I'm gonna just wait for around 20 minutes and just going to install it. So let's wait for 20 minutes. So another thing, just something flat. Let's try to press this down. Okay. Alright. This one. There you go. Okay. So here. Alright, just make sure the clips are in place. So we got 4 clips. Alright, double check. So now we're gonna install the map sensor. It is held by 2 screws. Alrighty, and now we reconnect the map sensor and the clip. Alrighty, so double check, make sure everything is on place, and the last thing we need to do is put the cover back and the clips. Alright, if you got the engine light on, try to erase it and just do like a test drive. Alright, so I hope this video, guys, help you to do or change your own air filter housing. And thank you, and see you next time.